In this video, I will show you how to edit messages sent in Microsoft Teams, the quick way. I'm always missing keywords in messages. Missing words like not or good can often get me into trouble. Recently, I sent a message saying, "Have a birthday." Everyone has a birthday, right? What I meant to say was, "Have a wonderful birthday." After spotting my error, I pressed the up arrow on my keyboard and I was able to edit my message. You have to be quick though, because if the person responds, you won't be able to edit your message in the same way. If you want to learn how to create tasks from messages in Microsoft Teams, then watch this video here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.